Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a fertilizer in Heartopia. So if you want your garden to grow twice as fast and yield those rare high quality crops, so in here I'm going to show you the exact recipe and the best way to mass produce it. So first I'm going to show you the recipe in creating the fertilizer, this one. So you just need two materials. First one is wheat and the second one is timber. So if you already have those two, you can just walk to your workbench in here, click on the craft, and now choose to create fertilizer. So for example, I'm going to create 5. Click on craft and just wait until your fertilizer is done. And that's it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.